Okay, good evening to you all. Today is 14 September 2025, which is our day 8 of this website development webinar. Like I said, this webinar will last for about 10 days, and today is our day 8. So, like always, we start by showing our outlines. That is what we are to cover for the day. So, today we are going to have a recap on the 7, and also we'll finish the developing of blog website which we have started on day 7. And then we'll move to start developing a newspaper website. After that, we'll have question and answer. Then we have conclusion and we call it a day. So if you can recall on day 7, we started developing a blog website where I show you how to install the theme and everything, and even how to create posts, how to create categories of posts, how to make a post. And I create a user, which I share with all of you as a contributor to create posts. But like I told you, each role, each user has its own role. As a contributor, you cannot publish a post directly on the website. You can only make a post after the review by editor and administrators of the website, then they can approve your post and your post will become live. So that's how it works. It's like a step by step. Subscriber, contributor, author, editor, then administrator. This is how the rules are in hierarchical order. And each one has his own role to play. So you as contributors, I share the login details with you. All what you have shared, all what you have posted, I saw them. There are a lot of posts, and I'm going to make them live on the website. You are all going to see that. So after we finish, we are just going to finalize the blog website tonight. Immediately we are done, we'll start the newspaper website. For the newspaper website, today, since we started this, uh, we have been installing the team of Astra, doing this, doing that. For the news paper website, I think I will introduce you on how to start using external themes so that you install a theme and then you use the theme. There is a theme that I will share with all of you for free, which you can use when you are when you want to create a newspaper website. Even though there are some free themes out there, even on Astra and on the WordPress. You can check, you can test any, you can try any and see if it works. But this one is what I, trusted, what I use, what I know you can use, and is very, very good looking newspaper website theme. So I will share the link to the theme with all of you, maybe after the class, or you can check the description of this video since I'm publishing the video, I'm uploading the video on the YouTube channel. So you'll check the description of this video and you all see the link that will take you to the theme we are using to develop a newspaper website. So after saying all this, let's get started. Okay. So if you can recall, like day before, yes, on day 7 we stop at this website. So let me go back to dashboard. So under posts, I will see all the posts that the contributors have shared with us. So you see, we have about, okay, these are the posts. Okay, so let me check this. So there is no much. I think I saw someone said this. User one, all this one also is pending. So let me open it. Or I can click on quick edit, but I can click on edit. So all these posts are here. Let's go to the blog. Let me open the blog since that's where they are. So these are the posts that we have live. The these are the posts, only 2 of them. That's what I posted, if you can recall. So this is a post that a user one created. So I don't know who did this post, But let's just review it and talk about some few things on it. One, you did not set a feature image. You should, because without feature image, there will not be, you will not see this image on the post. Let me show you. You already this image, you will not see it on the post. So, but I will not touch anything. I will allow what you said, what you publish, just like this. I will just review, like I'm reviewing. Then I will click on publish. So I will click on publish again. So whoever created this post, I approve the post, and now I click on publish, and the post is going to become live on the website. So this is how you will keep doing it on all the posts that the users have created. That is the contributors. So you keep doing it. Let's open the post and see it. So the post now will be live on the page. So let's refresh this. So the post will be live, and you see there is another post here. Keep it simple. There is this one is in draft. So the person who did it just put it in draft. He didn't finalize it. So I'm not touching this and this. But this keep it simple is in pending. Okay. So this, let me see. Keep it simple. Let's open it. So you see, since we don't have any feature image on the post, this is the post, you see it here. So this is the post, there is no any image attached to it. So that's why we will not see any feature image on it. So that's it. So then I open that, keep it simple. So you see, keep it simple. You don't need to be loud to. So you see, this is just something that is just like I think it's a motivational speaker that dropped this. Thank you. So you see, it's just like that. So this is how this blog website works. This is how it works. So one thing that I forgot, which I think we didn't touch, is the header. So we didn't touch the header. I think that's all what we didn't touch, the header to change the logo and everything. So let's just edit that, and then the website will be ready. Then we move to so then we have another one here. We have another one, features of blockchain. I think features, we say, so someone put this, it's fine. So if you look at this here, you will see the mine, that is mine are the posts that I created. Mine are the posts that I created, and you will see posts that are pending. You will see posts that are in trash. You will see posts that are we posted. All that is something that will help you to know how to do that. I'm sorry. Let's finish this customization because I want us to start the newspaper website in time. And even if you did not understand more of this blog website, when we go to the newspaper, we still use the same method, the same way we create posts, the same way we do all things. That's how we do it. Yeah, so maybe the image you are posting, I saw someone saying that he tried to upload image, but they said you need permission, or to edit the picture image, you need permission. So yeah, I think contributors cannot upload feature image. I think, but I know you can create that. Maybe the image you post is not that high quality. I don't know, but you can try again and see. Maybe the image you post is not that high quality, or maybe contributors cannot post cannot attach feature image. So it all might happen. So this is what someone created, features of blockchain technology. So I say future, future, that is FUTURE, not features. So, but it's fine. Whoever created this is fine. It's fine. That's it. So let's wait and customize the header. I think we are only changing the logo and this social media icons. That's all what we are doing. So let's wait for it to finish loading. Then we did that, and we start the newspaper. You see, so let me click on the pencil. icon. So to bring us to the side logo, so we'll remove this side logo and put that Hamad Technologies that we keep using. So I have to upload the image. Okay, let's upload the image. So whenever you want to upload image, make sure okay, let's just crop it like this. I remove extra spaces. So click on crop. So then it will be like that. If we like, we can redo. And okay, let me show you. So we are reducing the size because I believe the size is going to be very big. So let's reduce the size like this, you see? So let's just reduce it like this a little bit and it's fine. So the next thing is for us to change this, the social media. So that is Pinterest. So if you have your Pinterest, you put your Pinterest. If you want to add another one, you add another one. So maybe I'm removing Pinterest. Maybe I'm removing Pinterest. I'll call it, instead of Pinterest, let's put something. So I click on icon library. So under this, maybe we'll put Facebook. You see there, here it is. This is Facebook icon and we call it Facebook. And we put the URL facebook.com/hamatech01. So that's for it. We change the icon to Facebook. So for the Instagram, instagram.com/hamatechnologies. So that's for the Instagram. And then for the YouTube, so it's just my youtube.com/at Ahmed Aminu Ahmed. So that's for the YouTube. So if you like, you can add another one for any other that you want. So I think that's all what we need to do here. That's all what we need to do here. So this is the final thing we need to do on this, website. So we touch the header. I think that's the only thing we didn't do. So I think that's all. Let me check the contact. We finished contact last time. Yeah. So we are done with contacts. So everything is okay. And the Facebook is here. So let's click on published. So now we are done with the published. We are done with the website. And the website is kind of ready. So we change the icon, we do everything. So let's confirm. So yeah. So let's go back to home. You see, this is it. If you click on anyone, let's click on this. It will definitely take you to my YouTube channel. If you click on this, it will take you to Ahmad Instagram page. If you click this, it will take you to Ahmad page. So this is it. Yeah. So that's all. That's all what this is. So for the blog, if you check, you see all what you have posted. We'll all see what you have posted. Okay, let me edit something here. I don't want to go deep in this. Well, let me check something. I want to edit something here before we finalize this. Please, are you with me, please? Okay. Okay. So you see here, you can only change this blog. And yeah, you see all this, personalized, this, what did they call it? Let me do something. Um, Let me view the post. I want to check something. So you can edit this. You can edit this and call it whatever you want to call it. You can edit it. Personals. I want to see something. I'm sorry. I just want to see something here. So let me check before we go. Okay, you make a post that was pending. Make sure it is pending. I don't know if it is, but you need to check well if it is pending. But all the posts that are pending are here. So I will see pending here. I only have one pending, which is keep it simple. So maybe I can delete this or trash this, keep it simple. But all the posts that I here, I saw them. So here it is. This personal story, I don't need it. This consultation is pretty, I will delete it all. So let me check something here. Deleting this. So yeah, maybe I can call it my blog. Or let's say a mad blog. So I think that's all. Yeah, I removed that, so it's fine. So this is it. Let's just call it a day for this. So we are stopping here on blog. This is how you create the post, and this is how you publish it. Whenever whatever you want to publish, this is how you publish it. Like I told you, there are different themes. Even on Astra, there are a lot different themes you can use for personal blog. And this is exactly how you can create the post. This is how you make the post. This is how you make them live. So please, you can use anything that you like, anything that you think you can work with. Because to create the theme, the post, it doesn't require much from you. All you need is to create the post from there and to continue. There are a lot of things that I don't want to dwell in creating the post. That is to edit it from the HTML codes. Just to edit the post, to add images inside the post, to add link, to add other things. Don't worry, you can all create that even in Microsoft Word and copy them and paste in your website. But for the images, you need to upload the images via media, which I told you. This is where you add media files, you upload any image that you want to use in your post. This is how you do it. Or if you want to insert image, when you click on add post, I'm just showing you all this as a recap because I don't want to dwell deep in all this to confuse you. But maybe when we started, we are going to start the newspaper now. Maybe you will see other things there. So you see here, this is where you put a lot of things. When you click this add plus, this plus, you see you can add image, you can add header, you can add quote, you can add list, you can add a gallery, you can add a paragraph. There are many things you can do with all this. But what I did, I just copy it and paste it for you and you saw it. But there are many things you can do while creating a post. This is like Microsoft page and you can be doing a lot in that. So this is it. This about the blog website, and this is how you create a blog. Then you keep posting whatever you want to post, and whenever people click on it, it will take them directly to that. I told you when we create this, we need to add link that will take people to this. I think this is something that I promised to do. Sorry, all this I want to do them because after this, I don't know if I will visit this website again. So I just want us to finish everything together. I don't know if we added the link under this read more. So we're supposed to add the links to the post under this read more. So when you click on read more, they will take you directly, they will take you directly to the full post about the the titles. So let me click on this read more. Okay, we didn't add the title. So we have this as the post. We have this and we have this. No further. So for this one, I'm adding the link for the AI. I'm adding the link. So that's all. So this is it. Let me close all this. Let me close this blog. So let's go back to our hosting. So now we are going to start the newspaper website. So I think I'm using a domain. I already created one, but I don't know. Let me check the SSL. Let me check the SSL of it. Okay, we need to create it. What happened? So we need to create the subdomain. We need to create it. I'll call it newspaper. Okay, newspaper.hamadtechnologies.com. So I'll just put newspaper. Then we click on add subdomain. So we wait for it to be added. So subdomain created. So let's go to SSL and let's so yeah, it is newspaper. Yeah, it will take some time to finish. Okay, so we allow it to continue, but we are going to maybe have it without SSL. So now we click on software close. So I don't know if maybe after we finish, the SSL will be done. So let's click on install. Now we select newspaper. Then here I put the password. So I will leave it admin. So I will not touch anything. I will click installed. Ah. Okay, so we are done. Let's go to our admin dashboard. So here it is. So let me go to dashboard. So like before, what I'm going to do, I will delete all the existing posts. So you see SSL was there. So I will delete all the posts that are here, posts, move them to trash. And also for the pages, I'll delete all the pages that are on the website also. Let me go to pages. Okay, I told you after all this, you go to general, you make setting in general. Maybe we'll call it Hamad Press. Let's call it I just do this and I'm adding the logo also, the website icon. All these settings are things you need to first, you need to do it first before you install even the Astra theme. This is something I already told you to do. So you can save before adding the S, but you can add S. Just add the S, even though it's okay. So add the S, then you need to log in again. So it will ask you to log in again. So I'm putting the password, then we are logging back. So you see we are done with this. So that's it. Then under this farmer links, which I told you to make it to post. So you see it's day and time, day and name. So you make it to post name. And I told you the reason why. So this is it. So now go to themes. So you need click on add themes. So now we are not installing any theme. What we are doing, we are uploading a theme. So assuming there are a lot of themes you can purchase. There are a lot of themes you can purchase. If you go to theme forest, just check there. There are a lot of themes you can purchase. That's not the name. I think it's .net, not .com. Okay, this is not the name. So this is it. It's theme. Okay, theme forest. Okay, .net. But I put it like that. I think it's .net. So you can see a lot of themes there that you need to purchase if you want to create a high complicated, maybe a website and all a lot of them. There are a lot of things here you can purchase. Many of them, and they're all, WordPress. You see, these are the CMS templates. So you go there, you will see a lot. Even blogging, there are a lot of templates. Any type of website that you need, just type it, write it. You see all these templates are there. You can go and purchase the template, then you install it. So assuming you purchase a template, that's what we are doing. We are uploading a purchased template. So this is template that I will give to you for free. All of you will get access to this template, and I will show you what and what we will enjoy in this template. So at least now you have an idea on how to use existing templates that are in WordPress for free and how you can also get other templates and use them on the website. So this is it. I upload the template. So wait for it to finish uploading. So there are many websites like templates, like I told you. Just go there. It's depend on the type of client that you have and the type of project you want to do or the type of website you want to do. There are many, 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 many thousands and thousands of you know, templates you can use. And all the template, all you need is to download them, upload them. The way we are doing this, you see, I uploaded it. Then you click on activate. You download them, you activate, and you edit them the way you want them to be. That's all. You can customize them the way you want. So now we are done with this. Then the next thing is to begin installing plugins. Everything come with its own plugin. So click on this plugin to select all the plugins. Click bulk action and click on install, then click on apply. So I'm installing all these three plugins. So now you see the plugins are done installing. So click back. Now I'm going to activate the plugins. So I already told you what plugins is all about. Click here now, click bulk action, and then click activate. Then you click on apply. So now we install the theme. We install the we install the theme. We install the plugins, and we also activate the plugins. So the next thing is for you to come to themes option. Let me say this. Some some of the some of the issues now that you need to understand, some themes you need to come under tools. When you upload the theme, you need to come under tools, and you're going to see import demo data there. Under these tools, you are going to see that. But for some themes, you need to come to themes option like this press room. So it depends with the team. And don't worry, anything you purchase, anything you get, there is documentation for the theme. How to install it, you can read it in the package. So there is documentation. So now what we are going to do is, first of all, we already have our favorite icon. So I can click here to put it, or I can put the logo. We already have that, so we do not care ourselves. So we want to import the dummy data. This dummy data, if we click on this, it will import everything on the website, including pre-made post for us. Let me show you how the website looks like now, because we don't have any data on the website so far. You see, this is how the news website now looks like. Press room, tech skills gist. We are the one that put this name. Don't worry, this tagline. So you see, there is no any post. There is nothing. This is how the website looks like. But we are going to import a dummy data so that the website will look very nice and very good looking newspaper website. So click on import dummy content and then click OK. So you wait for it. It will take some time to import everything for you, because we want to have everything. Then we delete what we don't want and we use the one we want. Then we start the editing. So wait for it to finish the uploading. Don't touch anything. Just wait for it. It will just keep uploading. Make sure you have a very, very strong network. Okay, so please, if you are with us, let me know. Are you all with me, please? Okay, so now it is done. So I think we're supposed to, okay, let me refresh. We're supposed to click on, yeah. So it is okay. So you see, this is how the website looks like. Look at this very good looking newspaper website. You see, this website is ours now. You see, this is how the website looks like. You see this? This is the website. But there are different pages we can use. This is page one, home one, that if we want this style, we use it. There is another style. You look at it. This is another style. We can use this one. You see, we can use this style also. Very good looking style. And we can also use style three. You can go through all these styles. They are very good looking. You can choose any one. But don't worry, I'll show you which one we'll use, which one we are going to take, and how we are going to make it our favorite one. You see, it will even show top authors, those that are posting on the website, how many posts they did. So all these posts, 24 of them are posted by the admin. That's why they put admin as the author. If I create new users, your names will all be here at the top. You see, this is it. So you can go to four. So there are six styles. So this is the third style. So you see, there's the fourth one. And I love this post one because it will show the most read post. It will show the comments on each post. You see how many comments each post has, and also how many viewers each post has. You see, if you scroll down, this is it. And you can also click here. You see, like BBC website and other very good looking newspaper website. You see it. If you come down, you see there are a lot of all this. You are the one that created this. You see all this. You see, these are the things you just can be yours. So this number four, I love this number four. So let's go to five and see. So this is how number five looks like. You see, This is the number 5. Look at it. Very good looking website. Number 5. This is how number 5 looks like. This website, I don't know how much you're going to sell it to a lot of all these uh, newspaper companies or other companies here. You see, there is also this one. You see, this is how it looks like. So these are the pages. There is also about, we'll have about page where we'll talk about the company. So you click on this. This is about, you see, about the company and everything about it. This about style 1. There is about style 2. So you can check any about that you want. You see, this is the second about. All these are this is the post format. You can select anyone you want. This is the blog. If you want to create blog, you can have a blog also. So there are many things on this website that you can enjoy, many things on it. So we'll start the editing of the website, but don't worry. Now let's go back to our theme option. The next thing we are going to do is to change this name. Press room. We want to make it Hamad Press. Then another thing, footer text. This footer text, you see this? You see this text? We want to edit this text. So this is very simple to edit it. It's just normal HTML tag. So this is a tag. You know what a tag is? It's just like link tag. You create a link. So for the title of it, we need to call it instead. This is the company that created. So maybe we'll call it Hamad Technologies. So then you come back, this is the href. So you know the href is the HTTPS that you put. So we put Hamad Technologies website.com. Let me put dot. So don't tamper with this. Please follow this the way I'm doing it. Don't tamper with these codes. The very moment you tamper with them, everything will scattered here. Please understand it. I'm just teaching you. It's just like I don't want us to keep having this you know to go back to HTML class. This blank is just an attribute. If you put this blank, it means whenever it is clicked, it will take someone to a fresh page. So we have the title. I already put the title, the href, we put that. Then again, the name that we want to appear. That is the name we want here. This name. You see this Quantical Labs. So we want it to be turned to Hamad Technologies, so that when you click on this Hamad Technologies, it will take you to Hamad Technologies website. The next thing is this press room template. So here we'll change it to Hamad Press. So that's what we'll change it to. So we'll say Hamad Press. So for the URL, then we put the Hamad. You see, they put their link, the URL link where you need to purchase the theme. So we are going to turn it to newspaper.hamartechnologies.com. So here it is. You edit it, click here to buy it. So click here to read more. So instead of click here to buy it, then we turn it to click here to read more. So that's the end of the A tag, and we are done with that. Do you want a sticky header? Yes or no? Sticky header is a header that even if you are scrolling, this header will remain intact. Normally, if you want, you put it. I don't want sticky header. Pulled width, of course. Show style selector. If you want, you can allow people to show a style selector. So this style selector, I think, is for it to be dark or white. But let's try it and see. Let me click on save first, so that what we change now to take effect. So you see it was saved. So let's refresh. Please, are you with me? Are you all following this? I don't want you to get confused in this because this is the new way of doing this. Please, are you following this? Are you following me? So you see, I turned it to Hamad Press. You see, this news and magazine theme, don't worry, we'll edit it. We'll change it definitely. Don't mind. So comes down, you see. And also, I changed this. You see, copyright Hamad Technologies. So press room template. So we need to change this press room template. We need to change it. It didn't take effect. So let's come back to this. You see, I didn't edit it. So I'll call it Hamad Press. So let's click on save and then refresh. So when we refresh the page now, it will not show that for to us. You see now it shows Hamad Press. Click here to read more. So that's it. We edited that. So for this show style, let me take it because I think this show style will show that whether you want the website to be dark, because I think they have dark style, and some people of course want it to be in dark mode. So let me check if that what that means. Okay, yeah, that what it means. You allow people to change the style that they want on the website by themselves. So you see, people can just edit all this. People can do what they want and the rest. So please don't allow people to do all this. If you allow people to do this, it's just like they will customize the website the way they want. So please don't put that. No, don't show that. So use the capture and all that. So you have your Google Analytics API. You go and get your API. If you click here, it will take you to where you can generate your API using that Google Map API and also Google Analytics tracking ID. You go to Google Analytics, you download you copy your tracking ID, you put them here so that you will know that there is someone that asked me, how do you know people that visited your website? So it's using this Google Analytics that you will know how many people, how many traffics you have on your website, which post is doing well, what time people are visiting your website. Google Analytics will give you an in-depth, analysis about the website. While Map API will show the exact location of your office or something like that. So that's all what I will touch here. So don't worry, we are all under this main. Now let's go to email configuration. So if you already set up email admin or something like that, you put the email here, all this, and we have all this as SMTP. I will not talk about that. This is the email subject. So whatever you put, change this email subject maybe to your own. Maybe we'll change it to Hamad Press. So whatever was sent, it should be Hamad Press. So contact from, maybe you can put anything you want, or you can just leave it Hamad Press to be email subject of any email you are sending. So that's it. That is all this. I will not touch this. I'll click on save since I make a small change. So if you configure your email, try to put your emails there. The next thing is to the color of the website. This is our color. So I'm taking this color because it's the Hamad Technologies color. So I'm changing the color. So if you come and refresh the website, this red color will change. Red color is supposed to change now. What's wrong? I changed this color. It's supposed to change because it's the main color. What is going on? I don't know. It's supposed to change. Let me close it and open it here and see. So what happened? I don't know. But it's supposed to change. Let's move. Maybe if it didn't change, it's supposed to change. I don't know what happened. Is it because I touched this? This show style. Let me go back to that show style. I think it's because of that show style that I touched. I think it's because of that show style. Sorry. What it is? I have something here. Okay, please come here. I don't need it. Is it because of this? Let me see. No, it's not because of this. Well, it's supposed to show. It's supposed to change. The color is supposed to change. I don't know why. So let me remove that show style. So this color supposed to change, but it didn't change. So let's continue. So when I change the color, so you can change the mode. So it can be light mode or dark mode. So I can change it to dark mode. So let me click on save. Let's refresh so that the website will be in dark mode. So there is dark mode and there is also light mode. You see, this is the dark mode of the website. I think dark mode is also fine. Looks great. So this is the dark mode. Supposed to be full width. Okay, so after that, so I changed the mode. So for the header style, so there are a lot of header styles, but this one is the first style that we have. There are many header styles. So this is style one. So let's go to style two and see. Top header. So there is no top header in style two. Let me refresh. I don't know what's happened because, okay, this is header two. So there are many styles that you can use. There are many styles you can use. Let me just leave it this. Then go to font. This is font. So you can change the font if you have any font name that you know. But for now it's Roboto, so I don't need to change it. Just leave it like that unless you want to change the font. Let me import this again because I don't. Okay, is it because of this header? I can't see. There's supposed to be, we have a top headers here with social media icons and everything that we have on top. Yeah, this is how it's supposed to be. Yeah, don't worry. I'll remove a lot when we started to do this. I'll remove all this. I'll do the rest. So now what I want to do is I just really import it because I stopped seeing this top header. So that's why I click on that import. So the next thing we are going to do is that let's edit this home page. So I think we are going to use home 4 because I told you this home 4 is what I love most. So let me check it. I love this home 4 because of this must read and comment. So this is how home 4 looks like. So we are using this home 4. So let's go to reading. Let's go to reading. So I told you, if you can recall when we are doing that, I told you not to touch the reading. So you see under this, there are a lot of pages here. You see, even this home, any page that you selected here is going to be the static front page of the website. So we are making this home style 4 to be our static home page. This is what we selected as our home page. So just scroll down and click on save. So now if you come back to the website, let's remove this home and click this. This page will remain our main page. You see, that's page 4 now is our home. So we make it our home. That's number one thing you need to take note on. Please understand all this step by step. This is more technical than other websites that we have developed. And all these that you are learning in most of the works that you will be doing, maybe complex work and everything, especially using themes that you purchase or something, you will be doing all this. So now we are done with this. The next thing is go back to appearance, then go to menus. Now, all these menus that you are seeing, we are removing all that we don't want. We will leave the only ones that we need. So we need to go to menus. Good. There are a lot of menus here. We have full-time menu to main menu. So these are the full-time menu. Let me show you this. You see this? There are menus. These are the full-time menus. So we are not, we will touch them one after the other. We'll touch them one after the other. Okay, so now what I'm going to do, let's go to main menu, then click select. So I selected the main menu. So there are a lot of pages, including duplication that we have done, because you know we have duplicated some pages. So you see, these are the pages under home. All these pages, we don't want them, we are removing them. Another home here, we are removing it. So what we are going to do is to click on bulk select, bulk select. So I will delete this, 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 this. I'm deleting this. So for the pages, this about style, about style, about style, I will delete this. But this one, I will just drag it up and make it here. Not under here, it should be here. If you put it under here, it's going to become a drop down here. You know what drop down is all about, like this. This is how it works. So I will just leave this style one here because that's what we are using. So I'm deleting this, this. All these are duplicate because I told you I import the dummy data twice. So this mega menus, I don't need anything under this mega menus. So just click on them, click on them, click on them one after the other. That's all. Then we have this. All this, I don't need them. This, all this, I don't need them. I don't need any. So once I clean this, you see how our menu bar will looks like. So let me finish this, you know, cleaning it. So for the blog, I don't need anything on blog. We are not creating blog website. So I'm deleting everything here. All these pages are not necessary. We don't need them. Auto list, we don't need auto list. Unless maybe you want auto list, you want to showcase all the names of the authors. You can do that, but no need. We don't need that. Categories. Okay, so if you want people to come to categories, maybe people want to be going to the categories and, yeah, read the post and everything. I think we'll leave these categories, but I'll delete one since it's true. Then for the contacts, contact style one. So let me check something. So it's style one that is on top. So I will leave this contact style one. I will leave this style one. So I'll delete this. For the shop, we're not selling any product since it's not e-commerce, but some on this newspaper website, after tomorrow when we started the the e-commerce website, when you are done with e-commerce website, you understand what e-commerce website is all about. Even on newspaper website, you can be selling product. So maybe you can be selling bedsheet, or you can be selling things to people that come and read your news, so you can do that. Yeah. So all these are what we selected. You see, we selected a lot. So I'm coming here, then I will click on remove selected. So just click on it. Then we are removing all these pages. We are removing them. So hold on. We are removing them all. Just hold on. Just click on wait. It's because I selected many. So the page has ceased. Yeah, let's click on wait. Seriously, the page ceased. I don't know. It's because we selected a lot. Ha. I think we are selecting this again. Okay, thank God. So here it is. This is what we have done. Let's click on save menu. So I remove them all. Let's click on save menu. You click save menu. After you remove them all, you click on save menu. So let's come back to our page. Let me delete this and then click this. After this, I will go back to start editing the name of the website, also the title of the web. You see, this is what we have now. But this is showing on top home style 4 because yeah, this is what we selected. So you don't want this style 4 on it, will remove that. This about style 1, we don't need this about style 1, we'll remove that. If you click on it, maybe it will show about. You see, this is the URL about style 1. I don't need it. Even contact, let me see, it will show contact style 1. I don't need it. For the home, let's come back, it will be home. So let's go and edit that together. The next thing is to edit this. So for the about style, click this page. We are changing this. Just delete this. Make it about only. Just leave it about. For this, you cannot change this URL until you go back to page setting. So I can change it from here, or we can go back there and change the label and everything. But let's change the label here and we go back and change the URL there. Let's do it like that. So now I'm changing the title. So for the okay, this is the only thing I think I need to change here. So that's it. Let's click on save. So after clicking on save, the next thing we are going to do now, we are done with everything. We are not adding anything. So the next thing, let's go to this footer menu. Let's select the footer menu. I believe there is, you see, there is duplicate. So we are deleting one so that the footer menu will only have one. So we delete one world, one health, one sport, one science, and one lifestyle. So we are deleting this. So you see, then I will click on this. So we did this, and then you see our footer will be okay. Sorry, our footer menu now will be cleaner. You see, now we only have this 5. So let's go back again. We have footer menu 2. Let's click on this. So what do we have under footer menu 2? And also we will clean it. So you see we have about double. So then I'll click this. Don't worry, this is because I imported twice. If not because of that, you all don't need to do this of this footer 1, footer 2. But for what we did on main menu, you must do it even if we did not import it twice. So let's go to pages because I want to change the URL of all this. So then we have about style 1. This is about style 1. Click on this quick edit. Quick edit. Okay, I'll put this. This slug is the URL link. Then I'll update it. So now after doing this, if you come to this, let's refresh. I'm sorry, this is not what we have been doing before. This is something else. You need to focus. So you see, this is about only, not about style 1, the way it is before. So I changed that. So let's do it again for the contact. Why is the contact? So the name is contact style 1. This is it. Then we edit it, we remove it and make it contact. And the slug will be only contact. Then I'll click on update. So now if we come here and click on contact, instead of this contact style 1, so now after it's finished saving, okay, so you see, it just said that this page not found at all because I changed the URL from contact style 1 to only contact. So now if you put contact, it will take you to contact page, not contact style 1. So we don't have any page with contact style 1. The next thing is to change the name of the home style 4. This is the home style 4, which is our front page. Click on this quick edit, delete this. Click on this, delete this. Now it will be home alone. So click on it and then now it will not going to say home style 4 or something like that. We edited that. So this is it. This is all what we can do. So for the home, I think we make it home for small letter like this, or we can say home page. I think home page. Oh, home is okay. Even Google are using home now. So, but home with small letter, it looks more matured than that, than this home with capital letter. I'm sorry. Yeah, home with small letter is fine. So this is it. You see now we have a very, very fine menu, and now it looks perfect. Okay. Okay. I'm sorry. Okay. Sorry. Sorry. This is our front page. So we change this to home. So now you see when I change it to home, it takes, okay, let me say this. This home that we are not using, I'll just call it home page. We are not using this home, but it's the name that the website will take because it's the home page. So what I'm going to do, I will leave it home. So we need to go back to reading and select home 4. Now we don't have home style 4. We only have something home. So I don't know how to differentiate this home and this home, but let's go back to reading and select it again. Since we changed that home style 4, now we need to come here and select a home. I think this is the one. So let's refresh it and see. Let's hope it is the one. Yeah. So this is home 4. No, it's not the one. It's not the one. Home style 4. Sorry. I changed the name of this home style 4. Let me go back and put it back. I think I don't need to change it. If I change it, it will affect. Let me see home style 4. So let's go back to that reading. I'm sorry because it didn't select it. It just pick. Okay, yeah. So it's home style 4. So let me click it. What happened? Okay. Sorry. I'm sorry. It's just from the URL of the page. Sorry, sorry. I touched. Okay, home 2. Home. I'm sorry. I just touched this home style 4. So let me copy the same URL and put it back. Sorry, I don't want to because that's what we publish. That's the URL of the page. So let me make it home style 4 again. Supposed to pick the origin the page. No, no. Oh, home style 4. We don't have this home style 4 again because I edited it. What's wrong? We can't lose this home page because it's what I want us to use. Uh-huh. It is not the one we want to use. This home style 4 becomes home page, home 2. So it becomes home 2. So let's go back to reading and select home 2. So it becomes home 2. I don't know why this happened. It becomes home 2, home style 2. So let's go to reading again. So I need this home 2. Oh, so this is home 2. So I want it to be our static page. So let's remove it and go back to the page. So home 2 is now, but this is not, home. Hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on. Why is our home for? In between this home, these two homes, in between them, that where our home for is. I already changed the name. Let me refresh. Yeah, this is it. Oh, I'm sorry. I don't know. Maybe it's because I didn't refresh. Don't worry. It's fine. This is our home. This is how it's supposed to look like. So all this is just giving us headache. Okay, so this is it. We have arranged the menus. We have arranged the home and everything. And this is it. The next thing is we're editing the header. You see, we have this very beautiful top menu. So we have our logo, we have our icons here. You see, there are a lot of highlights that is ongoing here. You see, and don't worry, all this we can when we start publishing. We are not yet start posting anything on the website. We are just customizing it. So let's go and customize the top header. So let's click on customize. Please, are we together? I know this is more technical than all what we have been doing. Are we all together, please? Okay, so this is it for this top menus. Let's go to menu. No, sorry. Let's go to widgets. So we see we have all these widgets. We have sidebar header. You see we have sidebar footer top, sidebar footer bottom, sidebar header. So let's click on this sidebar header and click on got it. So we are going to find, I believe, all this social media there. So hold on. Okay, so we have a search, WooCommerce card, all these are not available, but we have a social media icons. You see, these are the social media icons. So we can make it to be light if we want. So for that means this top menu bar, we want them to be not dark. So for the Facebook, you put the URL. For the Twitter, so you put X. Then for the mail, you put your email. For this inverter, this thing, we don't need it. Maybe we'll change it to Instagram. All this, we want them to be open in new windows. Whenever somebody click on them, we want them to be a new window. So this is it. So if you want to add any icon, then you add the icon, then you continue. So that's it. So that's for the social media. So another thing is high contrast switch. So this high contrast switch, I think is this high contrast switch. I think this is it. So if you like, you put it or you allow it to be. Okay, sorry. After you put all these, you're supposed to click on published before you close it. I'm sorry, I didn't do that. Okay, I just published. I don't know if it didn't work here. We need to go back to our widget from the dashboard and edit it. But it's supposed to be edited here. So I published it, didn't save. Yeah, it works. So it's fine. We just did that here. So what am I going to check? So after this now, I think this, do we need to touch anything here? Yeah, because there are some things here. All of this, some of them are even duplicates. So you're supposed to remove the duplicates here. Ah, this thing will give us a lot of headache. Because of that, I click on that twice. So it will give us two things. You see, all these are twice. Ah, okay, let me go back to this. Under appearance, let me go to the widgets. So I will do the editing from there because all these are duplicates. It's just because of that duplication. That's why this is taking us longer than expected. Mm, It's supposed to be here. So I can't remove them. I'm supposed to remove them from here. So I'll remove this at all. So I just click on it. I'll remove it. So you see, you click on it. This latest post, you see, these are twice. They are twice. So I'll start removing from this about press. So from this, I'll start deleting it. So I'll click on it. Then I'll click this three dot and I'll click on delete. Yeah, that's how I would do for all of them. So this latest post also, I would click on it, click this, and I'll click on delete. So that's it. Then the next one for this gallery. So I think I have one. Yeah, so I'll click this and I will delete it. Okay. So what is this? Okay, this one I will leave it. So if you want to edit this, you can edit all this that is here. So you can edit it. So there are many things about Hamad Press. So you put a lot of text. This is a, please give us something to put as you used to. So just say Hamad Technologies. Then here we can put address. Please, we are editing this together. This is how we are editing this website. It's not like the way we edited all other websites. We are all doing this. As you can see, we are editing a lot of things here. So I'll just see example state Nigeria. So contacts. Give us something. I want to put something there. Nigeria. Phone number. This we don't have anything here. We are deleting it. Get in touch with us. So here also we'll change this. No, new window. So you see I change it to new window. X.com. New window. Have you dropped the text, please? Skype, this should be nothing. But we put Instagram, I remember. Okay, for the Instagram, we'll just say none. All of them in new window. Pinterest, none. Yeah, that's all. Then we click on publish. If we want to save it, we click on publish. And I forgot to paste what, let me check if some of you paste something. Please, I asked you to paste something for me about Ahmad Press. I asked you to paste it. Please paste something. Let me just add it here. Help us with that, please. Okay, so I'll click on published. So that's all. So these latest posts, how many are they here? We have like one, two, three, four, five. So let me see if we can edit it. Five are too much. So you see, five are too much. Maybe I'll make it like we'll put only three. Let it be three. So instead of five, I'll change the count to be three. Yes, let them be vertical. All this. I'm not touching anything. Ordered by date. Of course, yeah, we want them to be ordered by date in descending or ascending, visible, and all this are this. So we only have three here. So I'll click on published. Please, this is how we are editing this. All this we are doing it like this. Okay. So let's move. So this list of gallery, let me click on it. So we say three. So we want to see all the gallery. So it's fine for the gallery. So let's this. There is something here. If you look at it, you see this text is another widget. You see it? Here it is. Yeah, you see, we can edit this. This back customized size bar, put that up, and I don't know why it shows this. Maybe we need to refresh it, but let me go back and come back to it because something happened to it. That's why it shows this. There has to be something here. So I don't know what we touched and it did this. So, but let's change, let's edit this. Let's edit this. Maybe view, view some of our galleries here. So let me just put a text there like that and I'll publish it. But there has to be something here, which I don't know what is there, but something must be here before we started the editing and we saved with the arrow. So I don't know what is there, but take note on it when you are editing that. So let me come to the side bottom. There are a few things there. Okay, it's only this top, but we have two. So I'm removing one because of that duplicate. So this duplicate is what makes this work to be very difficult. So, but thank God you are learning and I believe you are understanding how it works. So that we are done with that. Sidebar right hand. So I think it has to do with this about auto and the rest. Oh, well. This also we have two, so let's remove one. So everything we remove one. Okay, so let me publish. Okay. So all this we're supposed to remove one. But don't worry. Now what I'm going to do is I think we are done. Homepage setting. I'm not touching anything. We did that. Background image. Let's leave it. Colors. Leave it. All this I don't want us to touch anything. But for the sidebar, this sidebar, please don't touch anything because I don't want it to go on. For the widget, we all touch this. Menus, we touch them. So that's all. We are done with this. So let me refresh the page. Yes, I know there is something here for under this gallery. There is a picture here under gallery, a picture. Okay, here it is. Yeah, okay, the picture is not showing there. So this is where the galleries are. All these are the galleries. You see, these are the pictures here. So it's fine. We edited that. You see, this is how the website looks like. Very good looking website. I love this website, seriously. So now the next thing we are going to do is um now we will start creating the post. All these posts that are on the website, we are deleting them. But before that, let's change this news and magazine theme. Let me go back and change it under dashboard. So let me close this and this. So let's go back to under dashboard. So we go back to general. So you see, before we edited that tagline in general, but since we import the demo, so it will override what we put, and then we need to put tech skills gist or or latest news on technology. So let's just put this. It's just the tagline that will be on the website. So let me refresh it. So you see latest news on technology, and this is it. So now let's go to all posts. So what do you see? Are we deleting all these posts to create our own? Because seriously, these posts are landmark posts, are very good looking posts. But it's fine. We are deleting all these posts. All these posts that are here, we are deleting them all. We are deleting them. Let's click this one. Because I wanted to do yours from the scratch. So we are deleting all these posts. You see, this is how the post looks like when you open them. You see, you read the post, you can share it in Twitter. There are a lot of sharing things that this thing is good. I mean, very, very good looking thing. But we are deleting all the posts. So I'm selecting all. We are moving them to trash because we want to create our own posts. So I'm moving all to trash. I'm deleting them all, and the website is going to be clean. Even though I don't want to, but I have no choice but to do that. So you see, if you refresh the website now, we don't have anything. You see, we don't have anything on the website. Yeah, but we have lifestyle and all this. Yeah. So these are under lifestyle. So now let's go to categories. Let's go to categories. So all these categories, if you like, you delete them also. Let's delete all the categories. But I shouldn't have deleted it. I would have shown you. I could have shown you only two. to add post because it will take much time for us to create that again. Okay, so let's create a category here. Let's create what we did yesterday, AI and no, this is a news website. Seriously, this is a news website. Please give us some categories of news. Maybe let's say technology. Technology. Let's add technology. After technology, let's add health. Yes, because we can be talking about health. Let's talk about um jobs. Let's talk about uh let's talk about, let me check. I saw some people drop some message. Politics, yeah. Let's talk about politics. Okay, so that's all we create that. So let's go to our post. Let's click on add post. Yeah, we're supposed to add let's that's all. Let's continue. So give us a post on technology. I saw someone put why smartphone. Is it why? Okay, smartphone that what? Smartphones that understand us. So let's paste that. So let's put smart on that understand us. So this is it. All this, if you want to edit them, I told you you can all do that. You see, you can bold it. You can add many things in it. You see, you can add it. You can bold it. There are many things you can do. So here I can calm down. But you're just giving us text posts that are not that long. So let me say smart on HD. Not looking for a very HD image. Let me take this from Unsplash because they always give a very high quality image. You see the image is 3000 by 2000. So let me open it on the main website. Let me use this if it is free. Okay, it's not free. So on Splash, not all images are free. Some are free, some you have to pay. So this one is free, you see. So I can download it for free. So let me click on download. You see I downloaded it. So now let's come to this. Under post, we need to set image. So this is the image. I'll just drag and drop it here. Unlike what we have been doing before. So if you drop a topic, then you drop a text. I saw someone drop a topic, the amazing pictures of this thing. If you drop a topic, then you drop Nigerian public doctor strike over PLPI. Yeah. Thank you for this. Also, we'll put this. But you need to put a lot of text too. So let me click here to add the feature image. So this is it. So let's click on, okay, where is category? So we need to add it in its category. This is technology. So it's under technology. So that's all I think. So let me do this Nigerian strike. Let's put Nigerian workers and search for it. Okay, let me say Nigeria strike. Yeah, yeah, we have a very good looking image. You see, this image is cleared image and it's also for free. So let's download this to use it for this. Okay, so we are done with this. So let's add another post. No, I'm done with all this. I'm not adding anything. So let's add another post. I'm sorry. Let me click on back. Yeah, I'm leaving. I want to create another one. Let me just create some tabs. So let's create for the Nigerian strike. Please give us like, just keep dropping the posts. Why are you bringing posts that I will just within 2 lines and that's all? It's ChatGPT. Ask it to give you long text now. All this looks like Wasanya Haraka. So this is for this. But it's Nigerian doctors that goes to strike. So I should have said Nigeria. But it's fine. This is okay. Give us another post. Okay, about job. Nigeria targets 2.5. Please give us long text, not only two paragraphs. Nura, you are only dropping two paragraphs. Okay, so let me go back. I did Nigerian workers. So for this, let me use this image. I think this image, yeah, is free. Very fine image. So let's use that. So let's wait for this to finish. So let me create another post here under job. So here also, let's go here and add this. So I've added this. So under category. So this is under health. So let's put it under health and publish. This should be, please give us another one. You can drop the politics. I didn't see your politics. Please drop it again. You just copy and paste. Just post it again. If I have to scroll up, I cannot see all. Please drop it. If I didn't copy it, just drop. Maybe it's yours. I'm even copying now. There is this global sorry. Mm-mm. So for global politics, let me say global. Sorry, I'm on Splash. On Splash, I told you what the website is all about. You get a high quality images. So I would say free, and they're all free for use. Global politics. Let me use this. Okay, we are done with Nigerian doctors. So this Nigeria target is under jobs. Published, published. For the global politics, I'm putting this image. Let's publish. This one is published also. So we are publishing this. So I think we only have one left. Okay, I saw another one. Global politics. I saw another global politics. Okay, Atiku wants on. Please don't come and give us fake news so that we'll become like Raria and all others. Global politics. It's not like global. You don't need to term it global politics, but someone put Atiku this and that. But I will use that for the ADC. Ha! Atiku wants of authoritarian drift under Tinubu's alarm. It's okay. I'll use this, but please don't go and drag us into global politics. I'm trying to upload this image, it's not coming up. Maybe something wrong. This global politics, let's just take another one. Waiting for it. Let's wait for it. If it didn't work, then we add another one. Okay, we have this already. Let's set this. It's under politics. So let's refresh our page. Yeah. The social network under uncategorized. Yeah. So we have this here, and we're supposed to have them here. So now we posted, we make our post. You see, you can see them under latest post. You can also see them under here. So now we want to put them on this. So let's click on edit with WP slider. So now we work with the slider. I think we can even work on that slider from here. No, 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 no. So this, let me explain this to you. This page builder is not Elementor. It's different page builder, unlike what we have been using before. So this is different. Okay. So now let me click on this post count. Let's put 3. And we need for all. And we click save. I'm clicking this. I'm clicking the pencil to do the editing. Okay, so top margin, I'll leave it like that. Yeah, I don't need to touch anything. 2/3, no, that's all. So for this, Block columns. Pagination, no. Item per page. Display all, all. Yes, display custom selected post. No, display post as picture because I just want the post. Okay, let's just leave it like this. Feature post. Which post do you want it to be picture? So let's use this one. Or let's use this Nigeria target. Show post title, yes. Show post excerpt, no. Read more button, yes, if you want. Read more button for feature post. See, see it here. So this is where we will arrange that. So I'm just arranging all this, please. You are seeing what I'm doing. Thank God I'm recording it. So you see 4 per page count. 4, 4. Yeah, we want slider. Let me save it. Okay. I don't know. I can't recall which slider they have used. Postgres. I can't recall. I can't recall. I can't recall. I can't recall. Let me leave it default here. Okay. Display by post. Let's display post as picture. Let me see this style. Make it one. Okay, so let's put 4. So this is it. Okay, okay. So I'm sorry, I'm just editing all this. I'm just editing this, but this is not how this blog. Okay, sorry. This supposed to be. Okay, let me come to this small slider. Under this slider. Our sliders, okay, supposed to show everything. I don't know why it's not showing because this is where our slider is and this is where it's supposed to display our posts. So let me click on gallery. Let me save and see. It's supposed to show our slides, small slider. Yeah. Oh, because this is under the slider. This is where the slider is. This is supposed to be under its small slider ID. This is supposed to show. I'm not touching anything slider. So then we have another, okay, we have block one, slider, block one. Then we have here. So here we have another rank list. So for the most comments, so we don't have any now. We don't have any, but I can select one. Let me select this. Supposed to be all. I'm sorry, some of these things will not display because we don't have the data to do that. Maybe tomorrow you can just be commenting on the post and then they will be able to show on here so that we'll have the top read and also the top read, top comment and the rest. So we can have that. I think what I'm just checking what we need. For this lifestyle is just something they created. So if we want, we can just change this also. See. So the title is lifestyle and they added a post under it. So this is a post. They just put a blog on in there. You see, they select something and they put. So let's just select maybe politics, global politics. Yeah, it should change to global politics. So if I want to edit it instead of lifestyle, then I'll edit it and make it global politics and then click on save. Please, I don't know if you are all following this. I know we are kind of more technical today tonight. I know it's something that is more technical. Yeah, I know you are just seeing it. Please. Okay, you are saying there is show post categories. Where? Which one are you speaking about? Are you talking about the small slider? Nura, what are you saying? I just saw your message. I just saw your message. Where? Where are you talking about? The main the main post? Which post? I didn't get you at all. Then we have this. You can also edit this instead of spot. Maybe we can take it to technology. Technology. Then we change this post that they put here. So we put that one that we have for technology. So when you select here, we come here. Why is that smartphone? So we take it and we select technology and then we click saved. So now you see it brings that technology here and it shows the date we publish it, which is on this. So I think let's change it instead of sports. No, I edit it from sport. No. So this is it. Let me see. All these we need to edit them. All these uncategorized is just old posts that we need to edit. The way we edit this one, we need to edit them also. So you need to click on it. Just click on it to edit it. See, calm down, just select global politics and click on save. You see it will change. You see, it definitely change. Come here also, click on this. Instead of, let's use medical doctors, health, click on save. You see, it will change also, you see. So we have these two. So that's how you keep doing it. If you want to add another one, you can add it. Yeah, we have another one here, science. So we can change it also instead of science. We can change it to jobs. So we can come down. We can come down on that block to add the block that we want there. So maybe we can say jobs. So we say 2 million jobs. Then we add it here. So you see, we had a job here. So instead of this lifestyle, I change it. I update it to health. So it will be health instead of lifestyle. Please, are you seeing what we are doing tonight? I know, but thank God I'm recording all this so you will watch it seriously. I edited this from sport. Instead of sport, I put technology. Technology. Let me save. Maybe I didn't save it well. Supposed to change now. So let me undo it. Bring it back. If you delete, you can control Z. So you see it's global politics and technology. They all take effect. So what next? It's just this slider is supposed to show now. Let me select this, and this. So let me select okay, I select and this. So let me click on save. It's supposed to show. I don't know why. Let me put up images. Click on this. But they can show all. This is a slider that I don't know why it's not showing. Show format, show post category. Yes. Show post format icon picture. Yes. Show post date. Yes. Display slider only on mobile views resolution. Let me see. Yes, and see. It's not showing this. But maybe let me update the page. Maybe slider will not show on this page. So let me update the page. And then let's preview the page. Oh, yeah. Okay. All what we have been doing is working. It's just like the slider will not show until when we are out of it. You see, this is what we have done so far. You see the page. You see all this. You see this. This website is one of the best websites we developed. You see this very good looking website. This is our mad press. So maybe we will be creating news for you, and you will be coming here to watch our news. Okay, so I think what next is just for us to edit the contact and about page. So this category is now. We need to go back and put the drop down of these categories. We need to go back and put the drop down on these categories under menus. If you can recall, before we remove all the menus there, since we deleted all the categories that we have, we need to go back under main menu. Let's select main menu and click on this. So now what we are going to do under categories here, I'm going to add main menu. These are the recent pages that we have. So I'll click on view all because I want to see all what we have. Okay. I cannot do that unless we need to create a custom. Okay, let's go to categories. Yeah, here it is. So all these categories, you see them under categories, please. Just check them all. Check them all and click on add to menu. Check them all, click on add to menu. So what we are going to do is we are putting them under this category. We make them as a drop down. You see, under, not like this, under, you see, just one step under. This one also should be one step under this. This one should be one step under this. This one should be one step under it. If you want, you can arrange them well. So maybe health should be post, then G, then maybe P, then T. So this is it. So let's click on save. Please, are you all with us? Are you all with us, please? So let's refresh. If we refresh now, you will see we create drop down for our all for our categories. You see, but if we want, we can create a menu for all the categories and remove this category. So I can do that and come back here. When I come back here, this category, I'll just make them like this. This one, I'll just click on bulk. Then I'll click this. I'll remove this. So all of these are going to be list. Now they are going to be list on top of here. So we'll have their list like this. Each category will be its own menu. So now we will have the list. You see, we have home, about, health, jobs, politics, technology, and contact. So which one do you like most? I don't know. You select any one that we want, then you can use it. Okay, so let's continue. Let's go to about. Let's edit our about page. So let's edit about page. So this is how about page looks like. So maybe we'll just create something on the about page. Oh, it's getting late. What's the time? 11. It's fine. Let's click on this WP bakery. Bakery. No, we are finishing it now. Oh, well, I'm tired also. Seriously, I'm tired. You people are, So for this, for us, wallahi, there are much here for us to edit. So if we want to edit anything, now we want to edit this image, just click here so that we put any image that you want. You see there is add image. So let me click here. So from this library, I can add image. We already have our images. So let's go to our folder where is images and my technologies training images. So we pick any image. Yeah, let's check some of our images. So let's put this. But it's just the press. So this is a press. So it's just like we don't need to put any. But let's put our image and continue. Please, that's how you do the editing. Maybe I think we'll stop here so tomorrow. But I don't want us tomorrow to talk anything about this newspaper website. Nothing. Because tomorrow we will start the e-commerce, and e-commerce has a lot of settings we are going to be doing. So I don't want us to come back to this again. Or maybe tomorrow we'll finish this one and then we start the e-commerce, because e-commerce we cannot finish it tomorrow, definitely. So I'll just do this and click on save. So we change this image. So then we come here, top story from around the world. Politics have a lot. Please, if you want to edit anything, just go ahead and edit. I'm all there. If you want to edit, just click here, click here, click here. I don't want us to do it like this. Please, tomorrow, let's stop here. Seriously, I'm tired. Tomorrow we stop here and we continue from where we stopped. Please, let's stop here, please. So if you have any question you dropped, if you don't, I think we call it a day and we meet tomorrow. Let's stop here, please. It's been 2 hours. 2 hours, it's not easy at all. Any question? If you don't have any question, please let's call it a day. I know this newspaper website is going to be this. Definitely is going to be this. Any question? So thank you so much. I think there is no any question. So let's call it a day. We meet tomorrow and have a wonderful night. Bye bye.